What's up, YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here from OregonCarSource.com at Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure. Talking to you about this awesome Tacoma behind me, and also shortly we'll get to my Tacoma, which is this other one here. They're the same truck. This is a 2021 Toyota Tacoma double cab, four-wheel drive, V6 SR model. So this is the most basic four-wheel drive double cab Tacoma you can get. And the reason why I went with that for my truck is because you don't really need much else. If you want to tow, it comes with a full tow package, just standard 7 and 4 pin connections, 6,500 pound tow capacity. Yes, it is not available with the long bed, so the 5-foot bed is your only option on the SR double cab. But it's plenty of bed. My last Tacoma was a long bed, and you know, that the extra foot wasn't that important to me. Plus, you do lose some maneuverability due to the longer wheelbase on the double cab long bed. 16-inch steel wheels is what you're going to get with the SR. It does come with keyless entry. You're not going to get a power driver's seat. That is one of the upgrades you would get on an SR5 model. Also on an SR5 model, it would come with alloy wheels and fog lights and a chrome trim around that front grille. But because it's a 2018 and newer, you got Toyota safety sense, which means radar cruise control, pre-collision system. Up here we've got lane departure warning, automatic high beams. It's a 2021, so we have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We also have XM satellite radio. We have dual zone automatic climate control standard. We've got auto headlights standard, Bluetooth for your cell phone. It's got sunglass holder. It's got Toyota Safety Connect. We've got heated outside mirrors. And again, it's four-wheel drive. Same four-wheel drive as a TRD off-road, even as a TRD Pro. 4 high and 4 low. The only things that a TRD off-road is going to give you is 4 low only features, which is crawl control and locking rear differential. So this truck right here, no fooling around, is your least expensive new Tacoma. That's a 0 down payment, including taxes and fees for someone that lives where I do. With $1,000 down, $2,000 down, you can get below $300 a month after your taxes and fees for an Oregon resident, that is. Now, a lot of people talk to me and they say, you know, I don't want to drive a stock truck. Well, it's November. You don't have to drink pumpkin spice coffee. You can change out your wheels to some 17-inch alloys. These are all-terrain, snow-rated tires. I got the wheels and tires for about $1,100, $1,200 installed, I'd say. I went with a Bilstein 5100 suspension lift with an add-a-leaf in the rear. So that raised the rear about 2 inches, raised the front about 2 1/4 to 2 1/2. And I put 33-inch tires on it. This is gonna wheel way better than any of your TRD off-road or TRD Pro for that matter. Tacoma's off the lot just because of the tires, wheels, and suspension alone. And I'm way under budget compared to someone driving a TRD. If you're interested in this truck, it won't last long, probably just maybe a day or so. We'd love to hear your business. Hit me up at OregonCarSource.com. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see some more videos. Have a great day.